The 2010 Ford F-150 XL. This is a pickup truck powered by a 5.4-liter V8 engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This four-wheel drive pickup truck, with fewer than 40,000 miles on the odometer, gets up to 17 miles per gallon. This Ford features power steering, towing package, and four-wheel drive. Safety features include traction control, four-wheel ABS, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include power windows, cruise control, and air conditioning. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.